Hey guys, it's Gerald and Aubrey and Tim out here on High Rock Lake today. It's probably upper 60s, kind of windy. We're gonna give it a try. Appreciate you watching. I'm starting out with a Whopper Plopper. Aubrey has a Brokeback Rapala. And what you gonna start out with, Tim? I think Tim might be undecided at the moment.
Undecided. I know what I want. Spook. Yeah, I made some adjustments on that trolling motor. Look how good it is now. I got it on spotlight.
Cool deal.
About time. Alright. I know you heard this before. Okay.
What?
But Tim ain't messing around today.
Hey, that's what we're hoping for.
Alright, Aubrey, can I get in there 1 sec? No. I think I got it.
Well, unless that's President Trump, I ain't answering it. I promise you. Oh, hell no, I definitely ain't answering that.
Ah, there it is. My parents got a signed picture from Trump.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Trump is coming again. In July, I think. But you got to pay for it this time. Tickets are in there from $9 on up to $4,000.
Yeah, I'll take the $9 ticket. I like him. But
Have you been to a rally?
But I ain't paying $4,000. Heard one. Little guy.
Good time.
All right, guys, that's the first one of the day. Little guy, but when they're little, they're still fun to catch.
Right on?
Yeah.
Aubrey, why are you such a sweet girl?
Here. There you go. You want me to get it? She goes to Churchland. All right, show everybody what that pretty bass looks like. Got good markings on him. All right. Thank you for getting him off. Yeah. All right, guys, so this is the Whopper Plopper I'm fishing with. He was white. I always paint a red bloody design on him. I painted these hooks red. I painted the spinner red outline chartreuse on the inside, and then he's got a bloody face. And you can get those paint pens on Amazon. They work really well. Hey, jig it a couple times top water before you reel it. And try, you know, I know you don't want to get hung, but try to let that thing get closer to the bank. Boy, I'd love to see a 10-pounder come up and pop that thing.
Is that the walking floor?
It's called a spook, or that's what a lot of people call them. You ever call anything off them?
No. I threw it out there and I hung. Alright, Aubrey, go out there and swim and get it.
Feels a little bit warmer. You could probably talk her into it. Oh, little creek. I didn't even see that. That one's hung. When you get that one undone, Tim, we definitely got to go over there. Just jump off there, Aubrey. Toss that Whopper Plopper right in the middle of that creek.
Must be nice to be a kid again. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Just jumped like it was nothing.
I can promise you my right leg would have buckled
Oh yeah, man.
on that jump.
My leg buckled just looking at that.
That one's on there pretty good, ain't it? All right, guys, there's one that Tim hooked on a big black worm, and Aubrey helped him get it in. I'm gonna guess 2.5, maybe
close to 3.
maybe close to 3. You gonna weigh him?
If you want.
Did you get him out of that grass?
Yeah, right in that grass.
Shoot, that's really shallow. Well,
yeah, I threw the thing
I can
right
see.
in there. He was like, I was like, no way. I mean, just as soon as it went in the water.
I just got finished saying all it takes is one to make your whole day. There you go.
Oh, sweet. I would say 2 pounds 15 ounces.
I'm gonna stick to what I said, but after looking at him, I think he is gonna be a little more than 2.5.
Oh, you all right?
Yeah.
Dang, thing about it was you had the boat sitting right on top of him almost.
I don't know. I was just playing around. I was just like this. Then I felt it like that. I was like, no way. I thought it was a little brown. Man, that's the first worm bite I've had the whole year.
Right there. Like that. 2.3. Grab the grabbers. 3.02.
I said 2 3/4.
He won. He said 3.
Here, get a picture of me real quick if you don't mind.
My phone's dead, so let me have yours. Or Aubrey, you can take it. Take 3 or 4 of them. Tell Tim to change his positions.
Okay.
Tell him he's got to balance on 1 foot on one of them. Hey guys, it's Gerald with Bass Kicking Adventures. I am going to be fishing High Rock Lake today, and it is a beautiful day for fishing. It's going to be upper 60s, cloudy all day. Not much of a breeze, a little bit of a wind, but not much. Last few times I came out here, it's been really hot, so this is going to be a kind of like the perfect day today. And once again, I'm putting in at Flat Swamp, Pebble Beach access. Appreciate you guys watching. Alright guys, that's a good sign right there. Get one so early on the top water. I had to finesse him out of that tree. I made a couple of casts on the outside of the tree, and he didn't take it, and then I threw one right inside underneath the tree limb, and it was too much. He had to grab it. All right. Tiny little guy, but I don't care about that. Like I always say, no skunk. Dang, guys, that was a good one there. Well, he won't be biting again. I got a good hook set on him. He shook off somehow. Well, that little guy right there hit it as soon as the lure hit the water. Pretty little bass. Alright guys, another little one. Put up a good little fight. Still hoping for bigger and better things. But I am having a great time out here regardless. Alright guys, another pretty bass. Nice markings on him. And of course he's got to splash me before he leaves. Well, guys, there's 2 bites in a row where they never even took the daggone plug. Never felt them. Couldn't even set a hook. Damn it. Well, guys, I'm about to wrap it up. It's kind of a slow day today. I caught a handful of small bass, missed a couple bites, had a couple get off, but you know, it's just kind of an off day today. We had a lot of rain 2 days ago. The lake is up a little bit. There's a lot of stuff floating in the lake right now, which has messed up a lot of my cast today. My Whopper Plopper gets tangled up in pine needles or little twigs that I can't see. So anyways, I'll post this video later this evening. This video will be in combination of video that I did yesterday with Aubrey and Tim also. Tim called nice bass yesterday. So I'm gonna put them 2 together and post that. And then we're supposed to get more rain tomorrow. So hopefully next week the bites will get back to where they're supposed to be. Get some big bass back in the boat. But as always, I appreciate you guys watching, supporting the channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below. All right, y'all take care.